Hello everyone and welcome to my channel by Celine's. Here I share my adventures as a 20 years old French student abroad. Today we have to visit Cologne, or Cologne as you want to say. And I'm filming this video, it's 28 January and it's freezing cold, like literally freezing cold. We arrive at 8 a.m. and decide to start with a quick tour of the city before visiting the cathedral. Honestly, I wanted to go to Cologne just for the cathedral because everyone tell me it's so amazing to see, and that's true, it's really amazing.
Il y aura double headband. Bike. Comment?
Then we went to a very typical restaurant, McDonald's. It's not typical at all, but we wanted to try the differences that they have in German and we don't have, so we tried it. And then we went to the National Socialism Documentation Center of the city of Cologne. Basically, it's a museum about the Nazi regime, and I still can't understand how people could do such horrible things. The museum was pretty cool, but there is a lot of things that aren't translated.
On va au chemin de traverse. Faudrait que tu fasses un montage de tous les moments où on fait cette pause.
Oui. Then we were back walking through the city. We wanted to find a park, but what I find on map it was like a private park, but it wasn't for everyone, so we have to walk more.
Souriez, c'est filmé.
We're at the hotel and here is look at who we have. So we have a bed here and a little bathroom right here. Okay. We are back walking through the city. You have to know that we haven't taken any bus or any tram or anything, so we were just walking every time. And we went to the chocolate museum. It's nice, so you have chocolate and it's about the history of chocolate, where it's come from, when it first appeared in Europe and everything. Honestly, pretty cool. After that, we enjoyed the view of the city at night. Honestly, I love city at night. It looks so peaceful and beautiful. And we went to eat.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.
Back to the cathedral. Next morning and breakfast time. When we did go down for breakfast, the girl tell us Guten Morgen, which is normal, but I don't know, I was like, what is she talking in German in the morning? But anyway, back walking way too much. We haven't got a very good weather, but not too much rain, so this is my job, but it was really freezing, and I think we got snow in that night, so it was really cold outside.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer.
I have no idea why I'm recording a bird, but apparently the bird was important.
Was yours? Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go?
we went to the old part of the city, and there is an Alsatian vibe here. Since we was freezing cold outside, we decided to do another museum, which was Roman Germanic Museum. Honestly, it was pretty cool, and we did draw. I'm still very bad at drawing, but it was fun, okay? I don't care if I'm bad. And my friend is really better than I am, so it's a bit frustrating, but I guess practice makes it easy. Since it was still freezing cold outside, went to kind of bakery. We went down to the same restaurant as yesterday.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Ended the day by the train. First things, the train was late, okay?
So right now we are at the Liège Gaming Station, and we have to walk to her apartment around 2 to 3 kilometers because we have no train and no other.
We have no other way to go home, and the fact is, also this things doesn't work because usually I'm taking the train back to my home, but there is no train, so I say, okay, we're gonna take not the subway but the tramway, and there is no tramway, so and no bus, so we have to walk 2 kilometers more than everything we have walked today. It's gonna be long. I love it. No, I don't love it.
And right now my legs are shaking, hurting, and this fucking backpack is like 10 kilograms. Please, let me sleep. Let me sleep.
Just, I don't know where we are. Okay, just this way. I'm lost in my own station, okay? It's gonna be okay. I'm sorry. If you can imagine the foggy, it's very foggy. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. You'll find the links in the description. See you 2 weeks. Kisses!